Hello, I'm Anveshta. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be a little fun one because today I will be creating some winged eyeliner looks which you can wear, like some will be a daily eyeliner look, some will be a party eyeliner look. So I will be creating like 7 to 8. Let's see how many I can create. So I will be creating 7 to 8 eyeliner looks today. And you can see, like, just ignore the condition of my eyes because I have already created the eyeliner looks and I have already clipped it. That's why my both eyes are different, so forget about that. Today will be a fun one, and today is the first time ever on my channel I am creating eyeliner looks. Let's see how many I can create, and let's see today my eyeliner stays by my sides or not. So without wasting much time, let's start with the video. created so many fun eyeliner looks today, and hope you have liked this video, and hope you will also try to create all these looks. So that's all about this video, that's all about today's video. So hope you like this video, and if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. I will be very much grateful to you, and yeah, do share this video so that everyone can wear this kind of eyeliner looks. So bye bye till next video.